and just curry them. What do you think we should do, people? Should I look about them tonight or look about them tomorrow? So people, when I want to see the crab them, alright, what make you see the crab them, man? Just wait till I reach up. Don't rush, no rush. Yeah, man, when I reach up, when I see the crab them, when I reach up. So, yeah. Nah, lying about so when I live in the country life nice. So basically, see the people them we give away yard for foreign. And when hard life take on off run come back on the yard. Hello people, no way no better than yard. May I tell you that. No way no better than yard because they are foreign. You can't go over next door. Beg you two banana. Or beg you one breadfruit. Eh? Or jump over the fence and when they now look at teeth then something. No, you can't do that when they are foreign. You can't do that, but you can't do that when they are Jamaica. You understand? Anybody when they are Jamaica and say them hungry, I lie them and tell don't believe them. You have so many things you can staple with the palm tree are ripe and dry up. Everything, every fruits have its season. Nobody can be a Jamaica and say them hungry. I lie them and tell. I lie them and tell. Me not tell no lie. Me love, me not give you no way for my yard. No way. Me not give you, no, don't get me wrong enough. Me get the opportunity where I should go and work. I will go and work. Because yeah, I want the money. You know, I want to experience different countries, different lifestyle, yeah. You understand? I want to do that. But me nah give away my good Jamaica for nowhere else. I mean yard, me go work and come back on my yard. Because what? People them friendly, people them nice. You understand? Everywhere in the world you have crime. You understand? Everywhere in the world. What? Even there, man, you good? Alright. So me say no way no better than you. I not give a Jamaica for no way. No way at all. Me can't say me a Jamaica hungry child. I miss when I was a child. I miss it so much. I mean, there's no tree I couldn't climb. I mean, me climb mango tree, me climb coconut tree, me climb ackee tree, me climb breadfruit tree, me climb guinea tree. Jesus Christ, there was no tree where me couldn't climb. I was like a totally tomboy. I mean, I tell you, say, fruits could have killed me. Me go to river. Me used to use like basket and catch like fish. You understand? Me use basket go in the river and catch fish. I'm surprised. You'd be amazed the amount of fish them when me catch. Like seriously. You understand? Because you know, so when you dirty up the water, sometimes all the crayfish them have to come at the side because it's like it affect them, the dirty water affect them. I'm used to do that. Me have a lot of fun when I was a child. You know, me play marble with the boys. I used to love hang out with the boys. Me play a lot of marbles. You know, me play a dodgy. What me play again? Me play a hopscotch. Me play what the game them call again? Me play Mortal Kombat with the boys them. You understand me? I say me play what the thing of them. Me go bush shoot them, go shoot bird. Yeah. What heap of something me used to do with them. I tell you man, me used to do a lot of things. Me never bored. I never bored. Like seriously, me have a whole heap of fun. Me go all crab bush to catch crab. Like seriously. Me go crab bush to catch crab. Yeah man. Go crab bush. And people, you see, one crab, me tell you the crab parish them. You see the crab parish in Jamaica, Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. James. Yeah, you see them place there? Yeah, then 3 parish them. I can tell you, say, a crab parish them. You understand? Them 3 parish there. Crab parish, man. Crab for kill. May I tell you, crab for kill, crab parish. Just check out them three parish there in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yeah. I don't yesterday the whole heap of town people them come buy crab and carry up and go curry them and boil them and sell them for much, like $500, $600, $700. You know what I mean? You have $700 come away small and they can't even get all a dozen crab. Yeah, you have $700 just come away small and you can get a dozen crab. Yes, people, I feel me look at corners this. I'm not done yet. I take time go and do meeting, is me? Alright, people, watch a crab here. Catch a crab here, people, catch a crab here. Yeah. Can't make him bite, you know, watch it. Can't make him bite, yo. So, guess what? I have to go wash them off, you know, and brush them and deal with them good. So, people, I go change all my clothes first because I just come from training. I go one hotel training, yeah. Then say we have to train before we go back on the work. So I just come from one training and I just collect the crab them. So see crab yeah. I see I love holding my box, you know, because I don't trust when I hold him here so. The holding here so you can use a little pie and grip me. I don't want that. So I go hold him at the back. Look people. I hold him at the back. See? Hold him at the back. See what I go on people? See your whole crab so then can't get the spin round and you know bite you up and all of these things. Alright. The mosquito time come from. Yeah man. See your whole crab. So guess what I know? I'm gonna deal with them now. I'll take out my clothes and deal with them now. Alright people. So my brush now I'll deal with the crab them now. I'll wash them off properly and then scald them. After I scald them, I clean them up and curry them. So you're going to see how I do it. Alright, here you go. Now people don't know what heap of crab I get, you know, because Sarge never catch no holy crab, but he give me few. So we'll see what I can do with them. I'm alone right now. I'm not around with my friend and my family there right now. So they may just see me alone. But as I say, I'll get some for my family and for my friend because they love crab. I'll hang them and I'll sort them out for them. You see me? Right, mosquito you don't country are tough, I'm not lying, tough. Oh, them crab hey, you have to be careful enough because them crab you see me? See me and talk about? Do them like this. Alright. Wash them good, you see me? Make sure it's all of the dirt come out of them because you know say you know love nastiness, you know. You know? We may not rich, but we love cleanliness. You understand? And Jamaica life sweet, you know lie. You know give you nowhere for Jamaica. I enjoy my life at Jamaica, just the money we want. You see me? Just money we want, yes man. Yeah. So people want to like, share and subscribe. Please support the channel. You understand? You don't know some is a down to earth girl, I'm not pussy. You see me? Just a try a thing, so no support the thing here, people. Alright. See you know? Clean and nice. Alright. Yeah, man, see the big one here. The big one here. See you? Big one here, I'm going like. And I want a man one too, people. Look here. You see this one? This one is a man one. The man one underneath them bottom here so long, you know, broad. You saw it here? Yeah, you don't broad. I'll show you the female one. Hold on, let me just finish off of him here now. I'll finish wash him and let me show you the female one. Alright? People, there are some people deal with crab different, you know. There are some people just wash them off like this and curry it whole like that. I don't like it whole like that because guess what? It's when they not clean up in the middle part here, so it tastes bitterish in a curry. Curry tastes bitter. I don't mean that. I like wash them off, scald them off. You understand? And then clean up in the inside and then you curry it. You understand? I don't like curry it, so it tastes weird. You understand? It's funny when it comes to food, you know. So I like when my food tastes good and prepared good. You understand? So I really eat curry crab from people. You see me like prepare myself. Some of them don't do it good. You understand? So I do it. Yeah. Can't make it. Yeah. So actually I didn't make it people, actually I didn't, but that one give me a hard task. She don't want to get up. She don't want to get up. She don't want to bed. Okay people, this is the female one. You see how this one broad? Yeah, this is a woman one. So underneath her belly that's a broad. Yeah, the female one in that. So you know, so they want to know when they start take man now. When they start take man now and start breed up, you don't know, you call them wash pan. You understand? You know, eat them a crabber. You don't want them a crabber feet when they start breed up because underneath them belly are so full of beer egg. You also don't have to kind of let down a little bit and full of beer egg. You don't want them the crabber feet, you don't feed them the crab day. So don't make nobody catch them and carry them come give you so you can't eat them feed them the crab because they're pregnant. Alright? Right, so you know, say crab season start like in a you know, April. You start get crab from April and it's season done like in June, the end of June. But you still can't buy crab and eat right through the year. You understand? As long as you know make them, because there are people, there are people who sell crab, but they sell like a man crab them. When the season up, they sell a man crab them. Because today know the woman them are breed up and also they not catch a woman. But there are some dirty people who will buy them and come sell you them same way. So not take them crab there. You understand? Once you see them belly, they so look and weird. You understand? Or even if you're not going to get visit too, or sometimes they will curry it and sell it same way, but don't buy. If you know man crab, if underneath you so, no small, don't buy it. From the outer season, don't buy it. Unless it's a man crab and in so small. As me tell you, so this is a female crab. Let me show you different. Let me show you. You see the difference? Look people. Look. Woman, man. Alright? And basically the man them always bigger than the woman them. I tell you. Alright? So I'm going to wash off that one here now. So people, anyway, for me look at ends this, you see me? Yeah man, for me look at ends this. This is my house. You know, fully finish it. My house is, because you don't know, say, there are some girl out there, they hot, and they don't want a house for themselves. They might take too much man, and they don't want a house for themselves. They might work, and they don't want a house for themselves. So I have to big up, let me tell you something, I have to big up all of the independent ladies them out there, so. You understand? And if you are take man, make sure say you are take man, and you are take man with ambition. You understand? Don't take Tom, Dick and Harry and Tom, Dick and Harry now go no. Make sure say Tom, Dick and Harry can give you a furniture, a bed, a dresser, a TV, a house, even step up higher than that, a house, a car. You understand? Don't go and fling nobody about the place and then you know see nothing feet. You understand? Me work at a nice hotel. Money may not high like that, but guess what? A how you do your thing, a how you spend your money. You understand? You have to have your head on your body. You ever hear them say one cocoa full basket? Yes. My one cocoa full basket. And I still strive for more. See? I work at a hotel and I get a house out of it. You understand? So I don't brag and boast. Just ladies out there, so I beg you, just hold up on your head, do nothing. I mean, I tell us if you take no man, I use no man. Don't use no man. If you know, don't want the man, don't take the man. So the man them grown and kill off the woman, them only need to be careful. You understand? I don't take no man when I do nothing for you. You know, help. You know, I go hip. So guess what? The water take time to boil up, you know. So you see like I curry me, I go curry them and I go scald them off and clean them up. I now go put no seasoning in the water because I go scald them up and then I go scald them off and then I clean them up and then curry them. So we now go put nothing in the water, you know. You understand? Alright. Alright, here we go people. Here we go. Alright. Yes, people. Yes, people. Bad boy, I know I'm going to pot, people. Yes, people. Bad boy, I know I'm going to the pot. Alright, people. So our next bad boy, yeah? Well, look a bad boy do. No bad boy, you know, give me no trouble, man. See, then I ring up and go along with nothing yet. You know, reach pot yet, so hold on. Yes, people. Alright. In the pot, people. In the pot. Alright. Yeah. Hold on there. Our next one is him. Oh, the woman, hey, woman want a face, you know. I tell you, man, the woman want a face, your fat. Watch it, watch her, watch her. Watch her, watch her, watch her. Woo! Fuck! People, where's the metal? Where's the metal? Alright, you rock hole, you. You rock hole, you. Alright, people. Me save me no space now. Should I take out the big pot, you know? I don't know me take out this little pot here for. Alright, the most fine space for you. Fine. Most fine space for you. Put in your backside there. Put on, you see me put on the cover pan him. I don't know where I go, people. No way. Alright, so we are going to make him tandy and scald off. And then we clean him up. You see me? Man. So anyway, meantime I scald off, I'll go and cut up some seasoning for me. You see me? Yeah, man. Alright. I go check my little old lady friend and ask her if she want none of my crab, because she did talk about crab other day. So, I go check her and see if she want no crab. Alright, people. Go hear what she has to say now. Miss Lane! Miss Lane! Miss Lane! Like so she asleep here, man. I wake her up. Nah, wake her up at all. Next time she gets some. But me I call her, I hear nobody. She like she gonna sleep. Alright, people. So these are the ingredients me I gonna use on the crab. So here so me have me fish seasoning. Me have me black pepper, me have me thyme, me scallion, me garlic, me sweet pepper, me onion, me carrots. Right, people? And I have my pepper. So look at it again. So I use Irish in it, you know, but I don't have any Irish, so I'm gonna work without the Irish. So look at it again. I have my onion, sweet pepper, carrot, hot pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme, fish seasoning, black pepper. Alright? Gonna go ahead and cut them up now. And remember now, guys, when you make curry crab, don't leave out the curry. This is my curry. I'm gonna use. Okay, now people, watch me clean up my crabs. Alright? First, break off foot them. Right? Then we'll say we don't want this. We are throwing this. You saw that look? Alright. We'll tear off here so. See? Tear off here so. Oh, you have some egg, man. Come on, man, they have a little bit of egg. Right? Get rid of all of them something here. See them something here? You don't want them for my crab. You don't want this. Unless I when me I go eat boiled crab, and you know too full on boiled crab. You see me? Yeah, man, so make sure say wash out in the good. See? Short crab. Hot, you see? See, all a big pan, you know, people. You have to crack it so the season can soak in a heat. Yeah. Crack him like that. You know, so when you put him in a pot, the season can soak in a heat. See, all a big something, you know, like chop it off. You understand? Yeah. Man, break off them part here. Yeah, man. See? Man. Break off them part there. Clean him up, people. So them something, yeah. When you cook it, when you do curry crab, hold like this. When you do it, hold like this. This, yes, this something when I hit, it gonna make the curry crab taste bitter. So I don't deal with the whole thing. I scald off it, take out all of them something here. So when you cook it, it don't taste bitter. You can eat my crab and drink water, your mouth not taste bitter. Yeah. No bitterness around here. Clean it up. See? Clean them up. Right, people? Okay. So I have to clean up my crab. So basically, people, it's like I just this amount of crab. Me I look about 3 crab this. So you just need like half teaspoon of black pepper. You understand? And you might want 1 teaspoon of the fish seasoning. You know? You just need kind of anti-salt, or you know, 1 teaspoon of the fish seasoning on it because of 3 crab. So you know, anti-salt. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and season up this and let it soak a little bit before me start cook it. Alright, people, so my iron and my pot now well hot. I go throw in the crab. My kitchen kind of small, you know, because my house little. My kitchen kind of small. Right? Yeah, man, my kitchen small. I'll go ahead and throw in the crab them, you know. Yeah. Alright. Throw in the crab them. Yeah, man. More add the water to this, you know. And we're gonna let it cook for at least 35 minutes. Alright guys, 35 minutes and the crab ready. Alright people, crab in my pot now, so I will allow him making go and cook. I'm tell you something, so when you hang crab, you have to clean as you go. Use little bleach, little soap and wipe down your place as you done. Because you don't know say crab carry scent. So clean as you go. You no matter if your kitchen big or your kitchen small. Clean as you go, people. When you hang food, clean as you go. Because see right now, my kitchen small, you know, because I say I want a house, you know. Sometimes I'm in my yard and sometimes I'm in my family yard. So today, I'm in my yard today. Because over the the whole lockdown thing me up on my family yard. The whole 3 months me spend up there, so I just come back yesterday. And I go and do my thing and I go and clean up this area now. Use some bleach and wipe down and something called crab. I tell you say crab carry scent. So I'm going to put in my butter in my pot now. Yeah man, you can't cook curry crab without butter, man. This will help get the flavor and make it nice and thing. Yeah. Yeah man, people. Crab here. People, you don't need to reach out to me when I cook some curry crab food. Please. You don't need to taste the crab here. Me blood see, but everybody when I look about crab for, they love it. I look about it for my cousin, she love it. I look about it for my sister, she love it. I look about it for my brother, them, they love it. I look about it for my best friend, they love it. Lord Jesus, all my co-worker, them are work. Yeah, man, I look about it with turn breadfruit and care go give them. You understand? I look about it and care go give them, I tell them, man. And some of them even pay me for look about crab for them. And I do it, and sometimes I not even charge them. Sometimes I just get crab and look about it and care go give them. You see me? Because, as me say, I'm a cool person. But cool person always get effed up. You understand? But when I watch no face, because guess what? God me say, God always give me a blessing. Yeah? Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe. Please, if you don't want to see more of me, do that. Support the thing. Alright, people? Me very down to earth. Me an easygoing girl. So when we see more, you know, adventurous vlogs and, you know, cooking and all of these things. So, like, share, and subscribe. And comment what you want to see me do again. Comment what you want to see me do again. And guess what, people? Follow me on Instagram at this pretty girl sky 444. Right? Pretty girl sky 444. Right? Follow me on Instagram. Alright? And guys, please go over to Tammy's Beauty channel and check her out too. Tammy's Beauty. Check her out. That's my best friend. I'm telling you, she's going on with a lot of stuff over there. She's the beauty person. You know, she's the girly. Me, I'm more like the ruffian. Alright, guys. So, until next time again. Peace.